Hello from the Bureau with a severe weather update for strengthening northerly winds ahead of a cold front. Hot and dry northerly winds are creating severe to potentially extreme fire danger for the highly populated areas of South Australia, including the Adelaide Hills, with a fire weather warning and ban current for the remainder of today. A severe weather warning is also current across central South Australia for locally damaging northerly winds that are forecast to extend into elevated parts of Victoria this afternoon, potentially including the northern suburbs of Melbourne. Dust with visibility reductions have been reported across Western South Australia, creating hazardous driving conditions that may extend eastwards, particularly throughout the Mallee and Wimmera districts of Victoria, where dust storms are common in a strong northwesterly flow. So please take extra care on the roads. Winds at these speeds are strong enough to take down trees, making driving conditions particularly hazardous. Conditions will quickly ease across South Australia following the cold front. However, damaging winds will persist across elevated areas of Victoria, extending into Tasmania on Wednesday. A series of cold fronts later in the week and into the weekend will keep temperatures below average, with snowfall lowering to 500 metres for Tasmania and elevated in alpine areas of Victoria and New South Wales. So rug up for the mornings over the weekend, and please stay up to date with the latest warnings via our app and website. Bye for now.